So from a distance it turned out pretty good, I think.
You're watching Jack PM.
I'd have to say. That's how you get around replacing cabinets. You stain them. And then I stain the cabinet underneath. Alright, this is part of the renovation noir. I know I made power in here because I'm replacing the medicine cabinet. Fortunately, I'm a hoarder. I had one down in the basement so I don't have to expend any money for a new cabinet. This is a stud finder I bought many years ago. I question its accuracy. Battery held up well. Alright, that's close to where I gotta. That makes sense. I'm just marking them with blue tape so I know where the studs are, so when I hoist this beast up onto the counter, I will know where to put the screws. Put the screws to it. This is how you tell if I wire stuff. I always tape the wire to my wire nuts. And I probably should have a junction box there, but ain't nobody got top of that. Okay, so the cabinet's installed, and then I just have to mount the door. Ladies and gentlemen, the doors.